Hi from StoryWhys. For this episode, we'll be looking at how to teach your students to examine and describe cause and effect dynamics in storybooks. Developing your students' ability to recognize cause and effect relationships will make them better readers, better thinkers, and better learners. It can even improve their social relationships. Teaching students to explain cause and effect relationships will develop their ability to formulate complex and compound sentences and make them better writers too. StoryWhys offers two different types of resources to help you to teach about cause and effect. The comprehensive StoryWhys book companions, which target many different language skills including cause and effect, as well as the Spotlight series book companions for cause and effect. Today, we're using the Spotlight on Cause and Effect book companion for Where the Wild Things Are by Maurice Sendak. Here we go. Print out the sentences cutouts and the cause and effect graphic organizers sections of the book companion. You can either print the answer key or refer to an electronic copy. Book page numbers that the different cause and effect dynamics occur on are indicated above the scrambled sentence and on each cause and effect graphic organizer. Since numbers are not indicated on the pages of the Where the Wild Things Are book, I considered the first page of the story to be page 1. Cut out the scrambled sentences, being sure that you keep each sentence separate. You can attach them to their respective graphic organizer. You're now ready to start reading the book with your students. As you proceed through the book with your students, pause after reading the pages that have a cause and effect graphic organizer associated with them. Give your students the sentence fragments to assemble. This enables an exploration of syntax through trial and error. Encourage your students to keep moving the sentence parts around until they have assembled a sentence with the conjunction so or because as the connector. Please note that in sentences with because, the graphic organizer should feature the effect box on the left and the cause box on the right. This is done for you. Once your students have assembled the sentence correctly, have them glue it onto the graphic organizer, putting the cause part of the sentence into the cause box, the effect part of the sentence into the effect box, and the conjunction that connects the two clauses onto the arrow. If you'd like to work on writing goals with your students, have them transcribe the sentence onto the graphic organizer. As you proceed through the book, repeat this process on all pages that have a cause and effect graphic organizer associated with them. Thanks for watching. For more on StoryWhys book companions, subscribe to this channel or go to storywhys.com.